Good evening, ma'am. I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also good, but it seems that you're not well.
No, ma'am. Well, but I'm sleeping. That's why it's not.
Oh, okay, okay. Still tired of your annual function.
Yes, ma'am.
How did it went?
Ma'am, it's not happened now. It will be happen on Sunday in this week.
Oh, coming Sunday. Oh, okay, so the practicing is going on.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay, but okay, so with us, like there is an organization, Padho Bharat, with whom we have been associated. And so today they are also there with us. So I'll be starting your English grammar. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you can tell me that in school what all you have learned in as in English grammar.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, till now we have learned adverbs, conjunctions, and prepositions.
Okay, so these three parts you have been touched.
Yeah, ma'am.
And so in class 4 or class 3 onwards, you might have been started with your parts of speech.
Yeah, ma'am.
So it would have been started from noun and then pronoun and then coming up to adjectives, adverbs, these things, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so today what I am going to start with is adjectives.
Okay.
So, have you heard about adjectives?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. You are willing to study now or not?
No, ma'am.
You are. Okay. So I know that it is difficult after sleeping. But you have to buck up yourself and you listen it carefully. Okay. Right. So I'll share a screen with you, giving a presentation on adjectives. Okay, and there itself I'll start explaining, and wherever you will have doubt, you just tell me, ma'am, I have a doubt, and you may ask me.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Are, are you able to hear?
Yeah, no, ma'am.
Sorry. Can you just see the screen? That's what I've asked.
Yeah, I can see the screen.
Okay. Okay, so we can look over here that all the naming, what the name we call as noun, for that, what we have a special thing to describe is the adjectives,
Okay.
right? Yes,
Yeah.
Veronica. So for
Yeah.
any name or any that noun has, if Yoshita is there and if she has a very beautiful house, so that beautiful house describing about Yoshita is known as adjectives. Veronica, I just want your mic to be unmute because it's getting a echo over there. When you will have doubts, then you open your mic and then you can speak to me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can always unmute it, and when you have to speak, because it's creating a echo over there, right? Okay. So I was just telling you that Yoshita's beautiful house is describing about whom? It's describing about Yoshita's beautiful house. So this is what it is adjectives is. So when we describe about any noun, giving it emphasis on it, then it is as adjectives. It is the second thing, second parts of speech describing about describing of a noun. So when we have parts of speech are in eight of terms. So first is the noun, then second is the adjective, and then when we have the verb, and then the fourth one is the adverb. It adds to the verb. What does it do in the adverb? It's add to the verb, giving it more innovatively describing way. Okay, so it is adding to the verb, and to the noun. What it is doing? Adjective. It is also adding to the noun. So nouns adding is adjective and verbs adding is adverb. Okay. So now let us see the definition of adjective. Okay. An adjective modifies a noun. What does it do? It modifies, it describes a noun. So here, as I have taken the example of a horse, it is in which color? It is in brown color. So a brown horse with a man on it. Okay. A loud bell ringing on in a church. So I've given these all examples to you to show that how it is modifying or how it is describing a noun. Okay. Now this ball has fetched on a beach. So it gave a noise, and we could see a strong noise coming to a beach, giving a describing a ball as a noun. Okay. And now we can see this bird who is chirping very happily. So this is also giving a bird as a noun, adjective as a happy. Yeah. We can move on the next slide, Veronica.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there is no doubt
No,
what
ma'am.
a adjective is. Okay. So let's move in a. So we can now, Veronica, it's your turn. That how can you find the adjectives? Okay. So there is a sentence over here. Can you read it for me?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
The bal teacher handed out the white papers.
Okay. So if you can find out the adjectives.
Bal teacher
Yeah. So the bald is the adjective over here, which is
and
describing the teacher. Yeah. And one more is it?
white papers.
Correct. The white is the color define paper, describing the paper, which is a common noun. Paper is a common noun, right? So let
Yeah.
us see that are we correct or not. Correct. Were absolutely right. It is a bad teacher, first adjective. Correct. The second one is also white. So we both are correct in finding out the adjectives to the noun. Now the second one. The laptop computer has a blue screen and a black screen.
Blue screen, black screen.
The blue and the black is the other both the adjectives. Okay. The laptop computer. Okay. The computer is a noun, but which kind of computer? The laptop. Okay. So the adjective over here for computer is laptop, and the blue screen and the black screen. Yes. So these three are the adjectives. Okay. In the similar way, the big yellow bus went down the wrong road. So the big
Ma'am,
one, yeah. Yes,
ma'am,
tell me.
you go to washroom.
Okay, you want to go to the washroom? Okay, come very soon.
Yeah. Washing machine.
और वही
रो रहे
5
थे
बजे
4 घंटा दांत उखाड़ने का जड़ में मियाँ बीबी रो गया दोनों मिल के नोच रहा था उसका जड़ को अंदर से बोले 4 बार मेरे आंख में आंसू आया और अभी 10 दिन लिक्विड खाना है बना के रखो खिचड़ी इसलिए पूछने आए हैं
कर देंगे।
दूध खाओगी कि क्या गिंजर नहीं मंगवाई
Veronica, are you there?
Yes, mom.
Okay. So I've set lots of examples for you. Okay. So we you can just see the big yellow bus went down the wrong road. Okay. So we can find big and yellow as and wrong as the adjectives. The crazy plane will crash quickly. So you find it here as crazy as the adjective and quickly as the okay. That big bad dog again frequently chased the